Hey, what's up? Looks like you just joined the PTE server and you want to download the Netplay build? Or possibly you just want to run it on your computer. Alright, so here's what you want to do. You want to go to Dolphin Setup, Netplay build, and you want to hit this link. I already have it open, so here we go. Let's download it. Let's say allow if you haven't used mega.nz before. Thing to note about Mega is it's going to download all on here first, and then it'll download down here like normal, if you're using Chrome or
Internet Explorer.
So yeah, it's pretty normal. Let's pretend I actually downloaded it, because I did. Here it is, here's my downloads. I'm gonna drag this right here. This is the PTE Netplay beta.1.zip. It's always been .1 for like 2 years, but who cares? So you wanna open it. It's like a folder. It's a zip file. So if you have WinRAR or 7-zip, just use those. But if you don't know what the heck those are, just open it like that. You're gonna need this folder, so just drag it onto your desktop or wherever you want to keep it. Because this folder is gonna contain basically the way you open the game. So you have this. This is the special Dolphin build that you should only use with this game. If you use it with other games, sure, whatever. And if you want to play PTE on a different Dolphin, I don't recommend using this one. Because this one comes with the game already. It's a WBFS, and it removes cutscenes and any video files from the game. That doesn't count like PTE attacks, but it just makes the file size a lot smaller, and it gets rid of story mode, which might suck if you want to play it, but if you do want to play it, just ask me for the original game file. So, from here, you have to do this. Change this to Direct3D 9. If you want to play in HD, keep it how it is, but you might not know how well it will run on your computer, so keep it at native, or if you want to be safe, just go for that 720p. You know, it'll probably work. If you want to use like graphical enhancements though, you can use like Direct3D 11, 12, or OpenGL, probably Vulkan. But for the sake of this tutorial, we're going to use Direct3D 9 because that one is the one we use on Netplay. Alright, you're going to do that. And the other thing you need to do for Netplay, if you're not Netplaying, you don't really care about this, you need to uncheck this box. This is enable, but uncheck it. It's a really weird setting that you need specifically for this game, and it wouldn't work on Netplay without it. For other games, they really do recommend you have that on for Netplay. So yeah, if you want to just check your controller, you can use standard controller and configure it to keyboard if you want. But yeah, it says it's detected, that's good. So let's open the game by double-clicking this. And then bam, we're in the game. Look at that, we're playing a Wii game on our PC. Bet you have done that before. And look, there's no company intros. Loads the game way faster. It's really helpful for Netplay because right now, you're going to need to make a save file every time you play Netplay. And if you're playing Netplay, I recommend just making it one letter.
How do you want to play this?
So this is a Netplay tutorial now. This is what you want to do every single time you join someone's lobby. So you want to go to options and then cheats, and you want to put these 4 cheats: Monster, Missy, Sumo, and then finally Oscar. You don't need to do it in that order, but that's just how I memorized it. Make sure you do all 4 of them though. There's a 5th one, but you don't need it. So you go to controls, make sure you check in with your opponent if they need to do this, and they can just press A here. So for me, I like to change it. There we go. It's like Smash Bros. Alright. So now, let's go to battle mode. Let's set the difficulty to hard because I'm just going to play with an AI. And for the rule set, you want to turn off assists, and you want to turn off items.
Choose a character.
And here you are. You're over here playing the game, you can choose your character. Wow, you did it, dude, you did it. Congrats.
Captain Knuckles.
You know that you did your codes right because you have the alt costumes like that one.
So
and
what
you
show
have
are
all
we
these
watching?
extra stages. But we only need this one anyways. So let's just load up a match just to see if it all works. See if our graphics are
Captain
okay.
Knuckles versus Ben Tennyson.
It seems to be running good.
3.
Captain Knuckles is poised!
Now, how do I get to that point in NetPlay? You want to go to Tools, Start NetPlay, and let's make a name here. Make sure the top part says Transversal Server, Traversal, and then you can put your name. Then go to Host. Pick the game. There should only be one game here since you're not going to play any other games on this Dolphin. And then, bam, you're in. Right here is your ping. Your opponent is probably going to say a different amount. And if I'm on the West Coast and my opponent's on the East Coast, for example, it's going to show my opponent as like 100 ms. And the buffer is here to make sure that your connection is actually good. And for this game, if it's too low, it's gonna lag. Like, literally have frame lag. So, you gotta make sure that your opponent's ping is divided by 10, and that's your buffer. So, my opponent's ping is 100, divide that by 10, okay. Minimum buffer is 10. Now, this is the start button right here, once you get your opponent. But, let's say you're the one who's joining. Uh-oh, where's the host code? I forgot to show you. Sorry. So you go here, you copy this, you go into Discord, you go to matchmaking channel, you put it here. Perfect. So, let's say you're the one joining. Start NetPlay. This is all you have to do. Host code, paste it in there, connect. So yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you have a lot of fun playing Cartoon Network Punch Time Explosion XL on the Nintendo Wii on the Nintendo PC. And I hope to see you if there's ever a tournament or anything. Really, I just want to play with people. Okay, bye.